Okay, welcome to the new place, guys. Good morning, guys. It is currently April 30th, and me and my roommates are moving apartments tomorrow. We've been living in this apartment for a year now, but we wanted something new for next year. We wanted bigger rooms and just kind of like a change in scenery, something a little bit different just so that we like feel more at home, because this one was definitely more of like a transition apartment into us like properly having our own apartment that we can customize a little bit more and stuff. I wanted to film a moving vlog for you guys because you guys have seemed to like the other ones that I've done before, and I personally always like watching these videos, so I thought it would be fun to film one. We haven't started packing yet just because both of our places are furnished, so we basically just have to pack up like all our individual items and stuff, which I don't think will take too long. We have a couple boxes left over from last year, and we have our suitcases and all that, but we're gonna go pick up a couple more boxes just to make sure that we have enough space to put everything. So me and Cass are gonna head out, go get some boxes, and Abby just started doing the kitchen. So she's gonna start preparing like all of our stuff that we have here so that when we come back we can just put all of that into boxes right away. We have a bit of buildup of like IKEA and like other orders that we've placed for the new place. So this place is definitely not looking the cleanest right now, but it's gonna be so good once we have everything packed.
We have what, 12 hours to pack everything?
Yeah.
10 hours?
We can do that. We can do that.
Easy money.
But yeah, we're so excited. We like obviously appreciate this apartment, and it's been great for the last year, but we're ready to go. So I cannot wait to show you guys the new place. It's gonna be so nice. So yeah.
Yeah.
This is gonna be the process of moving.
Woohoo!
I wrote down, I think 12. 12? For the whole house, yeah. Okay. We've got boxes. And then we're grabbing a bit of like packing tape, and then we also got some of the stretch wrap just to make sure that like things stay in place and whatever. I want it. We just got back. She's wrapped all the glasses.
There's more in this box too. All my socks.
Oh my god.
I have so many socks.
Wow.
Yeah, it's going well. Look at the empties and I sent the covers.
Wow.
Let me pull that honey out.
We're gonna bring these boxes downstairs into storage because that's where we're leaving our stuff overnight. Oh my god, it's not coming off. Whoopsies.
Oh,
Your stance. Okay, update. We finished most of the kitchen, brought some boxes downstairs into storage. I'm now gonna get started on my room. I bought these vacuum seal bags, which I think will be good for like some of my clothes, and I'm gonna put my sheets in there tomorrow morning. I'm gonna start off with my smaller boxes and see how much stuff I can fit in there. And then we'll see if I'm gonna need the big boxes that I bought. Yeah. Vacuum sealing all of my winter stuff because I'm not gonna need that for a while, so then I can like just keep it under my bed or something. So dusty. Making good progress. Everything from up here is gone. Taking down my bags. Okay, I'm taking a break to eat some dinner, and I'm gonna watch TV. I just need to like decompress and think about something else for a second, because we've been doing this for like 8 hours straight. Okay, update. It's now the evening. Most of my stuff is packed. My room feels so empty. I think I'm done for the day. I brought most of my stuff down to storage. I just have to close one more box tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna put my last stuff in there, and then we should be good to go. So yes, very happy and So excited for tomorrow. Oh my god. I will talk to you guys then. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired right now, but we need to be out of the apartment by 8 a.m. So we're currently moving down the last few things. I just sealed up my sheets, and I just need to bring down like this little tray, my chair and stuff. I feel like as we are up so late carrying stuff down, but it's okay. It's almost over. Once we do this, we're done. Our apartment is so empty. This is so weird. It's weird to me that I'm gonna be able to watch my moving in vlog.
I know.
And us moving out.
It's so weird that we've been here for a year.
I know. It doesn't feel like a year at all.
Right?
Crazy. Craziness, madness.
Crazy, crazy time.
I actually think we're delusional.
We're not okay.
We've actually both slept like 1 hour.
It's okay, we made it.
All this stuff is downstairs.
Yay. Move out successful.
I actually feel like shit. I feel so ass right now. Oh my god. It'll pass by so fast. So nice.
Can we get massages? I'm pain.
Why do I look like that?
I can't get out of this weighted blanket.
I think this one is ours. Okay, we're at the U-Haul pickup center. This is our truck for the day.
Yeehaw!
Yay! We made it. Everything went pretty smoothly, so that's good.
Ready to move.
I just can't look away. What can I do? I should know by now. You make my day. Never more will dreams expire.
Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, the truck's parked there. So we're gonna start loading stuff.
We have
We're in the truck. Gabe is in the back. We're doing our first trip. Hopefully this goes smoothly. I'm hoping that we can pull over somewhere on the street.
I can't believe Gabe's in the truck.
I can't do it. Should I do a full tour now? Empty.
Tour.
Okay. Okay, welcome to the new place, guys. This is gonna be our apartment. This is.
They left the pole.
We have a stripper pole. This is the living room area. We've got skylights up here. And then this is the dining table.
My room is
And then
huge.
this is one of the bedrooms. There's 2 bedrooms right here. And then as you turn, this is where the kitchen is. It's so nice, it's huge, this island. And the little seats are so cute. Then over here we've got a storage closet. And this is the bathroom. Pretty big. We've got shower, toilet, and the sink area. And then there's 2 more rooms in the back here. This is gonna be my room. I'm so excited. It looks so good. And finally, I get direct lighting. And then if you go out this door right here, we've got a little like balcony situation. The sunlight is so nice. Oh my god. So yeah, this is my new room. And then finally, we've got one more room over here. So nice and big, with another closet. Okay, first round is done. We're going back to grab more stuff now. The place looks amazing. I'm so excited. It's definitely tiring, but hopefully we don't need to do that many rounds. We've got so many people on the job, but here's all our stuff. Okay, all of our stuff is in the apartment. We've got boxes everywhere. Oh my god. I'm so tired, but I'm so glad that our stuff is here. But I think we were efficient. It's okay. And we did it. Yay!
3 U-Haul rounds.
Later?
Now we gotta unpack. We're gonna go to Dirty Talks.
Yeah. We're gonna take a break, go to happy hour, get some food in our systems, because I feel like I've barely eaten today. Yeah. Oh my god, the lighting, I can't.
It's gorgeous.
I smell like ass.
Been moving since 8 a.m.
Woo!
still burnt up.
I know. Now we smell good.
Keep it burning, baby. Got this fire on my head, and don't dare to let go. Cause each day for you, my love will grow.
Dinner.
When you're not
dinner
here,
talk
my
edition.
heart is screaming out your name.
Okay, good evening, guys. I just... Hey. It's currently like 10 p.m. I just got back from dropping off the U-Haul truck. Everything went super smoothly. I'm now starting to unbox some of my stuff. I'm not really setting up my room exactly the way I want to, but I'm just trying to get everything out of boxes so that they're not in my room anymore. I'm hanging a few things in my closet. Yeah, it's going well so far. I'm just wiping down a couple things because some of the stuff in here is a little bit dirty. But yeah, other than that, pretty smooth. I'm excited to decorate this room. I just can't wait to make it look super cute and just like actually be able to feel like I can customize it. So yeah.
Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running
Neighbors are throwing a party, but I need to install my AC.
through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Your love runs through my veins.
It's stable, I think. Yeah.
I never
Here we go. Yay! AC. Oh my god, cold air. Yay. AC. It's blurry too. Okay, I've honestly made really good progress. Most of my stuff is out of boxes. I just have a couple of like random things to organize in here. And now I'm gonna go through my suitcases and try to put as much as I can into the closet. The problem is I don't really have any shelving in the closet. Like there's a lot of space up here for me to put extra stuff, and I have hangers, but like nothing underneath here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm putting a couple things here, and then I think a couple things underneath my bed. But for now, I'm gonna pile my pants and stuff down here just because I don't really have anywhere else to put them. But yeah, that's the progress. Okay, update guys. I am basically done. Very happy. My closet is full now, so most of my stuff is in here. The only thing I have left in terms of like unpacking is the stuff in these boxes, which is all just like really random, like baby shampoo, nail file, like. So I'm just gonna do that tomorrow, and then we're also gonna need to do the kitchen because we have like literally done nothing for the actual living area. We've just kind of all been focusing on our rooms for tonight so that we like feel at home before we go to bed. But yes, I'm happy so far. Obviously it's not complete. I have a lot more things to do with it, but I think I'm happy with where it's at. I'm gonna head to bed. This has literally been the longest 24 hours of my life. But I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
So, what sucks is that my mom and I...
Good morning, guys. I just woke up, took a shower, feeling good. It's kind of gross out, but I'm excited for today. We're gonna do a little bit more unpacking. I'm hoping that I can finish my room, and then we're gonna get started on the kitchen. I think me and Chloe are also gonna go to Dollarama to get some other stuff that we're missing. We need to buy a couple more like trash bags and stuff like that. And then we're also gonna go to the plant store because I wanna get a floor plant for my room. So yeah, that's the plan for today.
afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid.
Look how much garlic powder we have. Jesus. Kitchen is a mess. Chloe has a bunch of these like pre-made spice mixes. They're all matching. Spaghetti, potato. Oh my god, these are so nice.
They're really nice. And
I think we're gonna line them and leave them over here.
Should I put the salt in it, or is
Yeah, I think leave the salt out.
it that way or that way?
The other way I think is better.
Oh, then I'll line it up like this. I'll add mine to your thing. I have to shower.
But why you let me fall in love if you're afraid?
I ordered a salad because I was getting hungry.
And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to.
Okay, update. We figured out most of the kitchen. There's still like some stuff here and we need to empty that bag, but we've organized most of it. Wow. Wow. And then we're using like this as pantry space and stuff. Yeah. We've now got a bunch of empty boxes, so we're gonna bring these down. But other than that, it's looking a whole lot better. We're just wiping a few things down.
I'm slaving away. It looks so nice. So bright.
Oh, that is cute. I think we're doing this big one for the living room. It's gonna look so good. Here's the new plant. And I'm gonna move mine into my room now. These are the ones Chloe got. Cute little hanging ones. Yay! Looks so good, yay. Okay, we just made a list of all the things we need to get from Dollarama. So me and Chloe are gonna go and grab that stuff. Okay, update, we're back now. I think we got everything we needed, trash bags, just a couple like different like rags for cleaning, extension cords, one of these like multi-tap things. So I'm gonna unbox these and then I'm gonna go do groceries because I have like zero food right now. So I need to go buy stuff so that I have food for breakfast and I stop like ordering because I'm spending way more money than I wanna be.
I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you. So I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
Good evening, guys. I just got ready for bed and I think I'm gonna go to sleep, but I wanted to end this video off here. I feel like you guys have seen the bulk of the moving process now. What's left is like buying decorations and all of that stuff, which I want to pile together in another video. Last time I told you guys I would do a moving vlog part 2. It never happened, but I promise you guys it will go up this time because I'm so excited for how the room is going to turn out. And I felt like I never was super happy with our previous apartment, but it just feels really different here. So I'm really excited to go to IKEA and like really get everything that we want to like make this place our own. Obviously it's going to take a while to be done, but I cannot wait. I obviously have all summer, so I have a lot of free time to like go and look at things and whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like the new place. If you guys have any ideas for decorations or anything like that, obviously let me know. Leave it in the comments or you guys can DM me on Instagram. But yeah, that about wraps it up. I love you guys all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!